Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can access or how the way you can check your recent view on your TikTok, just to check what video that you have been watching recently. So you just need to open your TikTok application, and the next thing you need to do is just go visit your profile, and now tap into the three straight lines on the top right corner on your profile and go click settings and privacy. And the next thing you need to do is just go find the activity center, and then you just need to tap on it and wait until it's loaded, and there could be a watch history here, and then you just need to tap it, and there could be pop up some video that you have been watched for today or yesterday or in several dates. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and if you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next video.